Today I'm making the softest chicken cheese puff you've ever seen. First, we steam the bread, just 1 to 2 minutes. Make it soft, not wet. Now let's make the filling. Onion first, cook until soft. Add ginger garlic paste, let the raw smell disappear.
Now the chicken. Red chili powder, black pepper, garam masala, cumin, and salt.
Flame off, fresh coriander, and cheese at the end. That's the secret.
There, all sealed up nice and tight. Now it's ready for the oven.
Okay, this is smelling amazing. Look at that golden color. Perfectly baked. Crispy on the outside, just how we wanted. Now let's see what's inside.
There it is. Soft outside, chewy inside. That's the secret. You're definitely trying this tonight. And if you love cheesy recipes, hit subscribe.